Okay, so now we have a new database, ExampleDB, and we can look in the schemas area how this database looks like, the tables which are contained in this database, and of course, we can finally also drop this database. To drop the database, just delete it from your local system. The command is drop database. So dropping this database, you have to write drop database, and then you can execute this command, again by pressing simultaneously the Control key and the Enter key. And now you see in the lower part, the command was successfully executed. You have the green side. So if you go to the schemas area in the left part of the workspace and press the refresh button in the right upper part, you see if you press the button, the ExampleDB database disappeared. So there's in the list of the database, no ExampleDB database because you dropped this database. So your local platform does not contain any database which is named ExampleDB.